I living in the rock stone, we can say.
How many years you been farming?
I know the rock stone.
I'm a good while now, a long time. I farm touch 18, 15, I farm a little something, you know. I try a little thing, you know. Yeah, I'm a 42-year-old now. And still, you know, I farm a little something to help myself. Yeah, I'm not sit down.
You have kids?
No, not really. I want them to take care of still, but I'm on my own for you.
Okay.
I'm a niece, son, so still have to say I'm my own. Yeah.
You have children? So I see you alone live.
Mm-hmm.
So you've traveled anywhere in the world?
Yeah, man, we live in America a couple of years, about 7 years.
7 years. Where?
Connecticut, Waterbury.
Yeah. And you work and come back. Why you come back?
Well, we never straight, sir.
Okay.
We have no legal documents,
And you come back and do the farming.
Let's don't wait for them to send them. Pressure full when I send them down.
Well, now we're nice, but wanna show me say no nice.
No, nice place to live, man.
Nice if you have money.
Yeah.
But if you have money, you can be nice.
Mm-hmm.
But if you don't have no money, you're not nice. I want a rough place to live.
Yeah.
Nice. You know, nobody in your hair, nobody, you know.
The money not really circulate because there's no real.
If someone want a job now, you can't find nobody really hiring.
Okay.
Maybe a 1 or 2 years, but if you have 6
Long term, no.
No, yeah.
And the crops take a while, and if you have.
I just yam we plant and yam take 1 year. You survive what I one yam take 1 whole year. So you know, so that's rough.
So you know how you go. If I just yam a plant and I depend on it, and I have nothing more going, you know how it go. If I yam 1 year, you have to wait for a yam. So you have to plant a little corn, a little peas, a little potato, and a little something and keep going. Yeah. But you can't sit down, depend on the yam a lot. Yeah. That's how we survive. We have to take hills. And most of the farmers them will see that. That's why them work, you know, easy to reach there. Most of the farmers.
2-3 miles I'm a walk, go just to go work.
I have to go up some stone and come down some stone.
With bag on the head.
With bag on your head.